Hi, this is Tom Tobin. I'm going to do my very first unboxing video. Ooh, and it's in a Fender box. That is correct, yes. Now we're going to do this. If I can get it to work. Anyways. This is a very rare, unusual Fender ukulele. That's unboxing there. And we have that. Nothing inside the box, right there. Okay. And we're going to tear the instrument condom off. It's kind of a condom, yeah. Anyways. What makes this thing so unusual is the color. It's gold top. And it doesn't do a lot of gold top of anything. And it's got no electronics on it. No gig bag, but look at the rosette on that thing, man. That's abalone or whatever. There's the headstock right there. There's that. What the hell is in there? And whatever that is, I get to come. And it's a whatever that is. Sorry about the glare, everybody. I've never played uke before, so I don't really know anything about it. But I'm going to learn, and I'm going to learn on this beauty. May do a pickup on it. Maybe not. I'm not really sure. But and so that's that, and there's the label for all you people, who care about that sort of thing. Anyways, so that's my very first unboxing video and my very first ukulele, and it's a beauty. It's gold top. I like gold. Gold is good, and it's got a telly headstock. Anyways, enough of my yakking. Rock and roll.